divided by 2 into root you are going to call here. Okay, so that is AM and square will get cancelled, divided by root 2 you will get here. So that will become equal to the RMS value of the signal you are going to take here. Correct? No, I think you have done the same thing in your AEC lab, I guess, in your unlock electronics lab. Okay, so then, okay, so you can take note, you can take note, you can take always note, you can take always the periodic signals are always the periodic signals are power signals. Always the periodic signals are power signals. Okay, so periodic signals usually it will be always power signals will be there. Why? Because the periodic signals is going to extend from the minus infinity to the plus infinity. It is going to extend here. If you are going to take the energy of this one, the energy of the periodic signal will become equal to the infinity here. Because if you are going to sum up from minus infinity to the plus infinity, so the energy will be accumulated. It will become equal to infinity. So periodic signals cannot be the energy signal here. Okay, so non-periodic signals, it may be energy signal or it may not, it may be the periodic signal, but always the periodic signals it cannot be there. Only it will be the power signals. Okay, I'll repeat. Periodic signals are always the power signals. It cannot be the energy signal. So done, right? So I hope that everyone make the list of the formulas at the end of your notebook. So what are the words I am telling in each and every class? You follow this. Okay, so this is beginning. We have seen, we have come across only the fourth classification we have seen. Among the fourth classifications, almost we have reached the some 70 problems we have reached, I guess. Correct now? 70 problems you have solved. Is it correct, right? For the second classification, only the two classifications problems here. Now energy and power signals, another 30 problems will add here. Next, if you come to the other signal, which is called as elementary signals, if you come across, so there are around and operations on the signals, there are around some 50 problems will add here. And properties of the system, there are around some 50 problems will add here. So only in the first module will be come across 200 plus problems will come here. Correct now? So can you able to practice these problems before the 1 day before the exam? It's not possible. It's not possible. So attend the classes regularly. Listen my words. What are the things I am telling? Okay, what are the things I'm telling? You make a note of these formulas at the end of your notebook. Practice the problems daily. So after attending the class, for practicing this one, you need only hardly some 10 to 20 minutes is required for you people. Okay, because already you have listened to the class. Same problems if you want to practice means it's easy for you people. So if you are practicing some other day means it will take some time. You need to spend, you need to analyze the problems and you need to practice here. Okay, so got it now? So practice the problems on that day itself. So just we have come across the second classification. We have finished almost 60 to 70 problems you have seen. Now let us see some more 30 problems we'll see here. Okay, we'll see the problems on the energy and power signals here. Okay, so take the problems. Find the energy of the signal x of t. Find the energy of the signal x of t. So take the signal x of t. It is given in terms of the waveform. It is given in terms of the waveform. Take this one. So this is x of t. So it is having the amplitude. So it is equal to 1, defined from minus a to the plus a. Minus a to the plus a. It has been defined. Done. Okay. Now it is given in terms of the waveforms. For finding the energy of the signal, we should have the formula we required here. We require the formula. So what shall we do is let us convert the waveform into the expression here. Okay. So by observation, you can see that. So from minus a to the plus a, the value of the signal is nothing but x of t is nothing but 1 here. It is nothing but 1. So you can write this is equal to 1. So from minus a is less than or equal to t. Okay, is less than or equal to plus a, and 0 otherwise here, and 0 otherwise. So we have the formula for the energy of the signal, which is given by. So write the generalized formula. Always remember the formula. Write the generalized formulas. Okay, so integral from minus infinity plus infinity x of t magnitude the whole square into dt. So from minus a to the plus a, the value of x of t is nothing but 1 square, which is nothing but 1 only. with respect to dt. So t is the time interval. The integration of 1 is nothing but it is t. The limit is from minus a to the plus a. So apply the limit here. So it is a minus of the upper limit minus the lower limit. So minus sign is there, that's why I taken the minus of here. So this will become equal to the 2a joules we'll get here. So that is the energy of the signal we'll get here. So like this, whenever the waveforms are given, observe the time interval, convert into the suitable mathematical expression here. So then we can find this one, energy of the signal like this here. So 2a joules. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Then
4R plus 4R.
can you repeat? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are asking some doubt. Can you repeat me, please? You are asking. My voice is audible, right? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are asking some doubt. Can you tell me, please?
No, sir, I did not ask.
Okay, okay. So no doubts, so. Okay, so fine. No doubts, I guess. So I'll continue with the next problem. So take. So this is a very important problem. In the exam, plenty of times this problem has been asked in the exam. Okay, so take this one. Find the energy of the trapezoidal signal. Find the energy of the trapezoidal signal. Find the energy of the trapezoidal signal shown in the figure below. Find the energy of the trapezoidal signal shown in the figure below. So this is the problem asked in the exam. Plenty of times it has been asked here. Okay, so -5 to -4, 4 to 5. The signal is like this. Okay. Done, right? So taken, right? Okay. So this is a trapezoidal waveform. So it is having the value from -5 to -4. It is increasing from 0 to the 1. So from -4 to +4, it is having the value 1, and 4 to 5, it is decreasing here. Now we need to find out the expression for this one. Okay. So from -4 to +4, the value is 1. Easily we can find out here. So x of t is equal to, okay. So from -4, so we have the time interval from -5 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to -4. So you should go from the negative towards the positive, the time intervals. Okay, so -4 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to the +4. Again from 4 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to the 5 here. 4 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 5. So we need to define like this here. Okay. So here from -4 to the +4, the value of the signal from -4 to the +4, the value of the signal is equal to 1 here. Right? Now we need to find the value of the signal from -5 to -4. Again from 4 to 5 we need to find out here. So let us do that one because it's a simple one. Let us do this one by the trial and error method here. Later I will tell you the mathematical formula. Mathematical, so you know the 2-point formula. 2-point formula you know in your mathematics. So let us find out that one by using that formula also. And there is a line expression, you know, y is equal to ax plus b. That one also we can use in order to find the expression for the waveforms, something like this here. Okay, first let us do by using the trial and error method. So we'll give some work to the mind. So now when t is equal to -5, it should be equal to 0. T is equal to -5, it should be equal to 0. 1. Okay, so can we define any expression here? When t is equal to -5, it should become equal to 0. When t is equal to the -4, this should become equal to the 1 year. Can anybody tell me the expression for this one? When t is equal to -5, it is 0. When t is equal to -4, it is equal to the 1 year. Can I get the expression? So can we write like this one as something called when t is equal to -4? Yeah, very good.
T plus 5.
Yeah, very good. T plus 5 here. When I substitute t is equal to -4, so -4 plus 5 will become equal to the 1 we'll get here. So similarly, when I substitute t is equal to -5, so -5 will become equal to 0 here. Okay, so from okay 5 to the -4, it can be written as t plus 5. We can write here t plus 5. So similarly, from 4 to 5. So similarly, when t is equal to 4, when t is equal to 4, it is equal to 1 should be there. When t is equal to 5, this should become equal to 0. Similar way, you can get the expression here. When I substitute t is equal to 4, it should become equal to the 1 year. When I substitute t is equal to 5, it should become equal to 0 here.
5 minus t.
Yeah, 5 minus t. It's very good here. 5 minus t here. When I substitute t is equal to 4, this will become 5 minus 4 will become 1. When I substitute t is equal to 5, this will become equal to the, so 5 minus 5 will become equal to the 0 will get here. So like this, we can find out the expression by the trial and error method here. Okay, so there is one more format is there, which is called as the 2-point formula. So you know 2-point formula in your mathematics now? You know 2-point formula in mathematics, right? Formula, you know, in mathematics 2-point formula anta. Okay, so it is something y minus y divided by minus y1 here is equal to x minus x2 divided by x2 minus x1 here. Okay, so this is y2 y1, sorry, this is x2 x1. So lower value will take the x1, higher value will take the x2 here, and y1 is nothing but the corresponding amplitude, y2 is nothing but the corresponding amplitude here. Okay, let us see this one here. So y minus y2 is nothing but, so y2 is having the value 1. So this is y1, this is y2. You can see this waveform, right? Okay, so this is y1 is 0. Okay, x2 is equal to the -4. Okay, y2 is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to -4. Let us substitute here. Then do it. So 1 minus 0, it will become x minus x2 is nothing but the value of x2 is -4 divided by x2 minus x1. So -4 minus of -5, x2 minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to x plus 4 divided by, so -5 minus 5, sorry, plus 5 minus 4 will become equal to the 1 we'll get here. Now, so y is nothing but it's a y of t, x is nothing but, sorry, y is nothing but, in the signal y we are taken as nothing but it is x of t here, and x is nothing but it's a t here. Okay, so just general equation I have taken, I have converted into the required thing here. So this will become x of t minus 1. If you go that side, it will become, so t plus 5 will get here. Got it now? So the same expression we got. So this one we can do mathematically like this here. A in the 2-point formula. So this is the 2-point formula you're going to call here. In your mathematics, you have studied a lot of things you're going to study, but when you apply this one for the any particular applications, so you can see what is the worth of those formulas, what are the in the mathematics you studied here. Correct now? So mathematics is the basic foundation for the communication subjects. If you are strong in mathematics, in the communication, in the signal processing, in the digital signal processing, in the advanced digital signal processing, in digital communication, advanced digital communications, it will be very good. It will be easy for you. So that's why the communication, mainly the basic foundation for the communication is mathematics only. Done? Any doubts? Any confusion in the transformation of this into the our required thing here? My voice is audible, right? You got this formula? Any doubts? Can I get the answer? It's audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so any doubts in this one? No doubts, I guess.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine. So similarly, let us find out for this one here. So, okay, so when y1 is 4 here, sorry, x1 is for this point. Similarly, y1 is nothing but 1, y2 is nothing but it is 0 here. Let us substitute in this formula. So it is y1 minus y2 is 0 divided by y2 is 0 minus y1 is 1 minus 1. X minus x2 is 5 divided by x2 is 5, x1 is 4 here. Simplify this one. So y divided by minus 1 is equal to the x minus 5 divided by y minus 4 is 1 here. So cross multiply. So this has become y is equal to minus x plus 5 will get here if you cross multiply. So y is nothing but it's a x of t, x is nothing but it's a minus t plus 5 here. So we got the required expression we got mathematically like this here. So any doubts in getting the expression? So this one is a 2-point formula. So we can use this one in order to get the mathematical expression like this here. Okay, done. Okay, so like this we can find out by using the trial and error method. We can find out mathematically like this by using the 2-point formula. So easily you can find the answer here. Okay, so let us find out the energy of the signal here. Okay. Okay, so I think no doubts with respect to the 2-point formula. Let us find out the energy of the signal. So the energy of the signal x of t is given by, we can take the energy of the signal x of t is given by. So I'm telling you all the techniques I will be telling you. So you should remember, you should practice the concepts here. Whenever the any problems will come, you should apply the suitable technique you should apply here. Okay, so I'll cover all the exam problems, all the textbook problems I'm going to cover. So you have to do only one small thing. You should have the interest. You should practice the problems regularly. You should attend the classes. So you have to do 3 things. First thing is very difficult. Getting interest is very difficult. So later, second thing, you should attend the classes. Now it's lockdown. So no work, no need to go anywhere outside anywhere. So it's your duty is attend the class. And third thing is, so you should practice the problem on the day itself. Okay. So the energy of the formula, it will be written like this. So minus infinity plus infinity x of t the whole square into dt. Let us split the, as per the time interval, let us split this one here. So energy is nothing but, so from minus 5 to minus 4, minus 5 is the lower limit, minus 4 is the upper limit. So it is t plus 5 the whole square into dt. That is applied. So again from minus 4 to the plus 4, 1 the whole square into dt. Again from 4 to 5, 5 minus t the whole square into dt. 5 minus t the whole square into dt. So this is the formula for the energy. We have split it for the different time intervals. Now this one, integration of this one. So you can apply the a plus b whole square formula, and you can find out the integration of this one. So or else if you know any other method, you can do it. So minus 5 to minus 4 to minus, sorry, minus 5 to minus 4. So t square plus 20 plus 2 5 are 10t. Okay, plus the integration of 1 is 1 only. So it is from minus 4 to the plus 4. 1. So this is 4 to the 5. The integration of this one is 25 plus t square minus 10t into dt. So take the individual terms, apply the limits, find the energy. The integration of t square is, it is t cube by 3. The limit is from -5 to the -4. Okay, plus the integration of 25 is it's a 25t. The limit is from -5 to the minus. The integration of 10 is so it is t squared divided by 2, 20. So -5 to the -4. The integration of the limit -4 to the +4 plus the integration of 25 is so it's a 25t 4 to the 5 here plus the integration of t square is t cube divided by 3. The limit is 4 to the 5 minus the integration of 10t is t square divided by 10t square divided by 2. The limit is from the 4 to the 5. Okay, so apply the limits. You know, t cube, the upper limit is -4 cube. Tell me the answer. Find the energy of the signal. So this problem asked in the exam plenty times, many times this problem has been asked here. For 4 marks plus 2 marks, the extension of this problem they will ask. I will tell you what's that problem. Do it first. Tell me the answer quickly. Do it fast. Apply the limits. Tell me the answer. Tell me the energy of the signal. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quickly. Done. Can you get the answer?
One minute, sir.
Yeah, do it. Okay, so got the answer. So the answer
8.66.
around
8.66.
yeah.
We can't hear you, sir.
Someone has muted me. Okay, fine. So no problem. Okay, so this is the answer. So plenty of times this problem has been asked in the exam. Okay, so done. So take the next problem. the same continuation of this problem here. So just I'll continue it and I'll leave for the next class. Okay, so take the trapezoidal signal x of t. Take the continuation of this problem. The trapezoidal signal x of t. The trapezoidal signal x of t. The trapezoidal signal x of t is applied to the integrator. Sorry, is applied to the differentiator. The trapezoidal signal x of t is applied to the differentiator given by y of t is equal to dx of t divided by dt. Y of t is equal to dx of t divided by dt. Find the resulting output of the differentiator. Find the resulting output of the differentiator. Find the resulting output of the differentiator. Second one, find the energy of the signal y of t. Find the energy of the signal y of t. Find the energy of the signal y of t. Okay, so this is a problem number 3. It's a continuation. The two problems will be asked simultaneously. So we have defined the trapezoidal signal already. So this is a trapezoidal signal. It has been defined, which is equal to x of t. Okay, so this is from -5 to -4, 0 plus 4, and this is 5. The value is this one. So we have defined the x of t. So x of t will be, so it is a t plus 5. So from -4 is less than t is less than or equal to -4, and 1 from -4 is less than t is less than or equal to the +4, and it is a 5 minus t from 4 is less than t is less than or equal to the 5 here. Okay, so this is the x of t you are going to get here. So t plus 5, 1, 5 minus t within this intervals here. Now this has been applied to the differentiator. So if you're going to apply this to the differentiator, let us do differentiation of this one here with respect to t here. Okay, so the differentiation of t is, it is 1 here, and differentiation of 5 is 0. So we'll get, so this is 1. So from -5 is less than t, -5 is less than t or less than or equal to the -4 here. So this will become equal to the 1 here. This will become 0. So we'll get within the time intervals we need to split here. The differentiation of 1 is nothing but 0. So from -4 to the +4, it will be equal to 0. And the differentiation of 5 is 0, and minus t is nothing but, so it is -1 we'll get here. So that is from 4 is less than t less than or equal to the 5 we'll get as -1 we'll get here. Now let us draw this waveform here. Okay, let us draw this waveform, which is y of t. So from -5 to -4, it is 1. -5 to -4, it is 1 here. Again from 4 to 5, it is -1. Plus 4 to the +5, it is -1 here. Now let us find the energy of the signal. Let us find the energy of the signal here. So we can find out this one by using this expression. So find the energy. So it will become almost equal to the 2 joules we'll get here. It will become equal to the 2 joules we'll get, because this is 1, this is 1. If you are going to add, it will become equal to the 2 joules we'll get here. So done, right? So these two problems together they will ask for the 6 to 8 marks they will ask here. Okay, so it's very important problem. So solve this one. Find the energy. So right, we'll find the energy, right? Okay. So thanks for attending the class. So it's the time for next class. Okay. So after copying the problem, you can leave and you can join the next class. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
2 joules we get, sir.
Yeah, 2 joules energy will get here. Okay.
Yes.
So energy of y of t will become equal, very good. 2 joules will get.